Hello cyclists, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to wear a bike helmet. I brought my beautiful bike helmet that accompanies me for a couple of years now, and I see so many people who wear a bike helmet but do not wear it properly, and that is so crucial because if you do have an accident, this beauty here can save your life, but if you're wearing it incorrectly, it could be dangerous. And there's an easy trick how to wear a bike helmet, and this is also very useful if you do have children. And the trick is called 2v1. 2 is for that you, of course, first you put on your helmet and you have 2 fingers over your eyebrow, so the helmet should be in the middle of your forehead. The V stands for the straps that look like a V under your ear. So this little thingy here shouldn't be somewhere under the chin, no, it has to be very close to your ear. And the 1 is for the 1 finger that should be here, between the strap and your chin. So you can move your head to the left and to the right so it doesn't bother you, but it shouldn't hang loose somewhere here, because then it can strangle you when you do have an accident. So with this little trick, it can help you to wear your bike helmet in the correct position. Especially you check it, if you do have children, check the helmet almost every day, because I don't know how they do it, but I don't know. When I see my son, the helmet looks differently every day, so please check the helmet. Very easy. 2v1 can save your life. And guys, if you liked our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.